So I notched the slate that was there, punched that out in the ground. I like, if I'm going to break the slate like this, I don't want to hang the slate with just that one hook. So we're going to rest it in a slate hook, just like so. And I really don't even need to put a nail in it. No reason to put a nail in it. So now I can that's bright. So that fits really nicely. We've got a, we designed extra clearance in our bronze base piece so that we have a 1/2 inch thick version. And this eventually will have a room for expansion and contraction on a metal roof if we do that. But so what I want to do is I want this anchor to have a little bit of clearance all the way around. And so I'm going to poke a hole right here, and that'll hold my flashing plate in piece. That is bright. So when I'm putting the slate back around the flashing plate, I like to avoid holes in my flashing plate whenever possible. I've got a nail high here, a nail high here. I went ahead and put a slate hook in beneath the flashing plate right here, so and notch this slate. So hopefully I can slide this one into position. Hopefully, we'll see. I like to keep my slate just a little bit off of my anchor so debris that hits it can run right out. I'm not going to nail that because I don't need another nail in my flashing plate. So these two actually on this job are going to be held with these slate hooks. So the flashing plates installed were reslated. I used a couple slate hooks. so I don't have to put holes in the flashing plate. When you're putting the cap on at the end of the day, or when you're all done with the job, when you're all done, you'll put adhesive sealant right around here, or you could stuff it with a little backer rod as well. Put the 1/4 carriage bolt in first, then you put the locking pin, and you put the cap on, lock washer, and the wing nut. This cap has got an oxidized finish, so it's going to blend into the slate really nicely, especially when it changes color.